Welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we step into a world of luxury, elegance, and comfort at one of the newest icons of Colombo City, Sheraton Colombo Hotel. As soon as you walk in, you feel it, the vibe, the hospitality, and that unmistakable Sheraton standard. This is more than just a hotel. It's an experience. Located in the heart of Colombo, Sheraton welcomes you with a fusion of global luxury and Sri Lankan warmth. Take a look at this room. Minimalist design, plush comfort, and a view that captures Colombo in its full glory. Whether you're here for business or a holiday, these rooms are crafted to help you relax and recharge. From traditional Sri Lankan flavors to international cuisine, every bite here is a celebration. Food lovers, you're in for a treat. Whether you're hitting the gym, taking a dip, or simply soaking in the Colombo skyline, Sheraton delivers on every level. And if you're here on business, their executive lounges and event spaces are top-notch. What truly sets Sheraton apart is the service. It's not just professional, it's personal, from check-in to check-out. Every moment is carefully curated to make you feel at home, with a touch of five-star elegance. Whether you're a global traveler or a Sri Lankan exploring luxury close to home, Sheraton Colombo is a destination you'll remember. Thanks for joining us on this luxurious journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sri Lanka Sanchare for more amazing travel stories across our beautiful island.